feeling it. Pound some brews. Can't wait to get a little day drunk. Man. Whew. Gotta get these beer cold, man. Can't wait to drink these. Oh, here we go. Oh, crap. Here's my room. No, I think I'm gonna put them in Wells' fridge. Hello? Anybody in there? You don't mind. Let's see. Here we go. Hopefully he's got nothing in here. Oh, beautiful. Put it in there. Oh, it'll be cold in no time. Can't wait to start drinking. What's up, guys?
Oh, hey Jim, what's up?
Hey, nothing much. Who's that?
Oh, this is Jose, my foreign exchange student.
Yeah, what's up?
This is my RA.
Good to meet you. Hey, we're throwing a party for Rajan, and I'm not enough room for my ice cream for the party in my fridge, so I was wondering if we could use yours.
Oh yeah, that's fine. It's right there.
Alright, cool. Whoa, is there beer in here? You guys know that's against the dorm policy, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Well, why do you have it then? I'm gonna have to report you to the board, I'm sorry.
Oh man, did you know about that?
No.
Oh, I didn't put that in there. I really wonder who did, but this is bad because I'm on scholarship. I could lose my scholarship.
I might have to go back to Spain.
Yeah. Come in.
Oh, what's up, guys? You see that beer I put in there? Is that cool?
What? You put that in there?
Yeah, dude. Is something wrong?
Dude, Jim just came in. You know our RA?
Oh, dude. Oh,
He saw it, and now both of us are getting written up.
dude, no.
What should we do?